I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install PowerShell on Windows 10 operating system. So to download the software in Google search box, write there PowerShell download. Then go on this Microsoft.com site. There you can get this Wingate J MSI. So there I'm going to use the MSI package. Now you can see this is preview 7.6 and this here PowerShell 7.5. There you can get this here 64-bit operating system, 32-bit operating system. This is ARM64. So currently I'm using 64-bit operating system, so that clicking the first option. So here you can see the file is now downloading. PowerShell 7.54 Windows 64-bit operating system, that's for MSI file is currently downloading, and the total size is 108 MB. So this is a stable release. Here you can see this is preview, and this all you can see this here, this for zip file. You can also use this. Now the file is downloaded. Simply you need to click on this PowerShell 7.5. Now click on next. So this is the installation directory. See program files PowerShell. Here this is PowerShell 7. Click on next. So this here, or you can see this all that's come there. Enable PowerShell remoting, disable, and these three are not required. Let's click on next. So this is for update. Here Microsoft recommended. This is recommended. Click on next, and now click on install. Microsoft, click on yes button. So installing the PowerShell 7 64-bit is now currently installing. Copying new files, installing PowerShell. This is the status you can see. Okay, so this here. Now this done. If you want, then you can launch from here, or let's click on finish. So now thereafter, let's open their command prompt. To check the PowerShell version, you need to write the pwsh -- version. So PowerShell 7.54 that I just installed, and this is the version. If you write there PowerShell, then you can enter into the PowerShell console. Okay, or let's here search this place PowerShell. Then you can get this. This is the order, and this here PowerShell 7. Click this. This you can see PS that's come there, and this is the location. Now, there I'm going to print the hello world. So right there, write -host. So host. Then insert the double quote. Let's write there hello world. Press enter. Hello world. That's display. So if I write there pwd, so for this you can see this is the path. Now you can change the directory. Let's get the cd desktop. So this is change ls. This order that's or display. So this is how we can install this PowerShell on Windows 10 and run commands. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.